with my feelings. Noticing.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in seeing how I got this easy, simple, but glam like makeup tutorial for like back to school or pretty much anything, continue watching. Remember to watch me in HD, to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Before you do anything else, there should be a subscribe button somewhere in the corner that says subscribe, or you can scroll down low and click subscribe as well. It's a really cute, oh, my hair is bothering me. It's a really cute back to school like makeup look. I don't know about you, but I was never really fussy in school about doing my makeup, but this is pretty much what it looks like. Again, if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned. So you're gonna need like an eyebrow pencil of choice. I'm using the NYX micro brow pencil, and this is like the perfect dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and mine is in the color Espresso. And then I'm going to be using the Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara from Maybelline. For lips, no, I'm going to do eyes first. And then my Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So like any palette that you have that has a lot of neutral colors in will work just fine. Then I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I'm going to be using the Fenty eyeliner in Cousin Black. This is like the best eyeliner that I've had so far. And then I'm going to be using just some like Kiss wispy eyelashes. And some Duo eyelash glue. For highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in Mean Money and Hustler Baby. And then on lips, I am using Fenty Gloss Bomb and Fenty Gloss Bomb and Oyster Girl lip gloss by MAC. Just a little small one that I have. So I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit, and then we're going to start with brows. Okay, so starting with my eyebrows, I will not be concealing them for this makeup look because it's supposed to be like a super natural like makeup tutorial. I know for me personally, when I was going to school, I didn't wear heavy makeup every day, so it's gonna be super basic. If you want to conceal your eyebrows, you can conceal if you like. I usually just conceal underneath. So I get my eyebrows done every 2 weeks, and the best way for your eyebrows to look like snatched without concealing them is just making sure you've cleaned them up a little bit. I really like it. So I'm gonna start eyebrows. I'm gonna spoolie them out first in the direction I want the hairs to go. I hate how like thin my eyebrows have gotten, and it's just like because I've had different people doing my brows, like same place, but I like when one girl does it because she does them super thick, and then I like when the other girl does it because she gives me an arch. So I just go to the girl that gives me an arch because I really like when my eyebrows have like some definition. So I'm like just gonna lightly fill my brows in. Nothing too over the top and crazy. And just like the Brow Wiz, it's like it's super light, and you just do it in like a ticking motion. Again, I'm just doing it how I usually do my eyebrows. If I'm going like a heavier makeup look, then I'll use the Dip Brow by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think that's good for me. So I'm gonna put my glasses on to do the check to make sure that it's good for me. I think it's good. Okay, so eyebrows are done. I've been watching Alyssa Ashley and her sister on YouTube lately, and I like the way they both do their makeup. But before, I never used to use primer, but now I see why primer should be used on your eye before you put on your eye makeup. It just makes everything like pop. Also, I didn't know you had to let it dry. I didn't know you had to let primer dry before you put on your eyeshadow. So I'll blend out the primer a little. Yep, blend out. Let it dry. And then, because I'm not doing like any foundation or anything, while this is drying, I'm just gonna move right into my highlight. So I'm gonna use Hustler Baby, which is the more shimmery one on it's trying to focus on my face, which is the more shimmery one in the palette. And I'm just gonna use that for the tip of my nose. So I really just dust that right in the tip and also in here. Not too much, but just like a subtle glow. I like when the tip of my nose is like really like shiny. It's cute. And then I hardly use the other side because I just don't see much like glow from it. I don't really see much glow from Mean Money. And maybe I need to like read up on the product. But it says Freestyle Highlighter Doer, but I never really see like any glow from it. So I usually just layer the two products. So on this side, my primer on my eyes seem pretty dry. Oh my god, it's so weird having the camera this close. So I'm not gonna show you guys, I guess. Okay, I'll show the palette. I don't know if it's gonna focus on anything. And then I'm not really gonna show you the colors. I'm just gonna pick it up. Okay, I will show the colors, fine. Okay, so the first color I'm gonna start off with is Burnt Orange, which is this color. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid, and I guess use that as like a transition color. So just dabbing all over my lid. It's like my favorite color out of the entire palette. I literally kill this color. Okay, so that's pretty much it for that. Then we're gonna take this e.l.f. blending eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna use Raw Sienna, so the other like brown, I guess it's a lighter brown or a deeper brown in this palette, and I'm just gonna use it in the crease and on the outer part of my eye, just right in here. Also, I don't have like 1,000 like eyeshadow brushes, so you'll pretty much see me reuse the same brushes for like every part of my eye. I just don't wear makeup enough to care about crease brushes and all of that crap. I just don't. Next, I'm gonna take a burnt orange color in this palette. It's called Real Gar. So this orange color. and that is going to be concentrated on the outer part of my eye. So I'm still going to take like a light fluffy brush, pick up a bit of product, and kind of just dust it on the outer part of my eye very lightly. If you want, you could always take it up, but I'm literally just doing the outer part and some bit of the crease. And you can always build up the intensity on the orange part. That's pretty much as even as it's gonna get for me. And then after you use raw sienna, I am actually gonna try something new. I'm gonna take Cypress Umber, so like this really brown, this dark chocolate brown color. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put it like right in the center and then kind of just blend it into the orange. I don't know how that's gonna look, but I'm taking like a really light dab. Oh yeah, that's good. Let's like lightly blend it into the orange, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna take the fluffy brush again and just kind of just go back in with a bit of orange over that. I think that's good for me, to be honest. Just try to blend out the brown a little bit. Yeah. And then after that, I'm gonna grab the same brush and I'm gonna take Hustler Baby from the highlighter palette, and I'm gonna use that in the crease of my eye, and just right in the crease of my eye, and then I'm blending it in right here, just very lightly. Yeah, and it's only when I conceal my eyebrows do I highlight under my brow bone, so I won't get into all of that. I hate doing eyeliner on camera, but I'm just gonna pretend like the camera is there, and I'm gonna do my eyeliner real quick. I think I want to make it a little thicker on the top. Yeah, basically like that for my eyeliner. Then I'm gonna turn the camera off and do the other eye, and I'll be back to put lashes on. Okay, so my eyeliner came out a little bit thicker than I would have wanted it to be, but I'm not a makeup artist and this is as good as it's gonna get, okay? So we're moving on to lashes. So I'm using these, I think they're Kiss lashes in the wispy style. I kind of just use my hands and place them on, and the lash glue that I'm using is the Duo brush on adhesive lash glue. This is the best lash glue I've used by far, actually, especially if you let it like dry evenly. And I used to be terrible at putting on lashes, terrible. And then I figured out like the best way to put on lashes for me, and it's basically taking like a compact mirror like this, placing it underneath, like from underneath, and then putting the lash on looking down, because then you're able to see where you want to place your lashes exactly, and also putting your eyeliner on before you put your lashes. I know it sounds dumb, but for me, before I used to put my lashes on first and then my eyeliner. I don't know why, bad idea, but at least if you have some type of guideline with your eyeliner, you're able to see exactly where you want to put your lashes. So I just wait till I can't really see the glue anymore because it looks blue, and then when it dries you can't really see it. And then I'm going to start putting on my lash. So I get it on the middle first, and then I do the end, and then the innermost corner. And it's on. You're pretty much good. With that, if you want, you can take this little tool thingy that it comes with and use the pink side and like kind of just press your lashes down, or if you need to move them into place, it's good for that too. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline Falsies Lash Angel mascara, and I'm going to do my bottom lashes. I like this mascara because of the brush personally, and it does just a really good job. Then I'll move on to the other lash. And that's pretty much it for eyes and face. And then for lips, I already have some of the Fenty Gloss Bomb on, so I'm not going to add any more. I'm not going to add any more of that. I'm just going to go in with the Oyster Girl by MAC. It's the lip gloss. I like this lip gloss. It's like a lustery pinkish color. It's hard to describe, but it's such a pretty lip gloss. One of my eyeliner wings are thicker than the other. Since I stopped wearing foundation, it's been like so much easier for me to like freestyle my makeup looks. See how it looks. I'm like, oh, bitch, you look good. It looks so good. It looks, oh, this is pretty. And I'm saying this because I've never done this makeup look before. I literally freestyled it. Yes. So this is makeup look. And also, if you're looking for some affordable back to school hair, check out Elva Wigs and NYUWA. This is a unit that I've done a review on, which I'll put in the cards above. Also, I am opening my Depop shop, and I'm going to be adding on some customized necklaces. So if you're interested in that, click the link in my bio on my Depop shop. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope somebody found this useful in some way. I think it's really pretty. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.